Here are the top 3 things to know about transporting kids safely. Number 1, buckle up your child on every trip. Child restraints offer more protection than seatbelts alone, and children are safest when they're riding in the rear seat. Number 2, use the right restraint for your child's age and size. The smallest children need to ride in a rear-facing restraint in the back seat. As they grow, they can move to a forward-facing restraint and eventually to a booster seat, which lifts the child up so that the adult belts fit properly. Number 3, properly secure the restraint and buckle in your child. Make sure the restraint is positioned at the proper angle, securely attached to the vehicle. When your child is riding in a restraint, make sure the harness straps are pulled tight.